All right, we're heading to fish with no license, just inspiration. This is Kayla's tackle box, and this is Maddie's tackle box. I didn't know you for sure. Yeah. When did you get this tackle box?
In the sixth grade.
In the sixth grade. When did you get this tackle box? When she was in first grade. She's been fishing since then. You're doing great though, without touching it. Yeah, that one looks fantastic. Yeah. There's the ham floating. Me and Kayla are first, and then I could catch the first fish. Unless Maddie catches it first, then it doesn't count.
Oh! Get her.
Oh, shit. I'm not used to being a vlogger. Oh, you're grabbing that shit? Oh, she's a fisher. Wait, let me zoom in.
She's got a dinner for tonight. I got a dinner.
I accidentally got a crotch.
What?
There's some.
Yeah!
Oh, look at that one, Belle.
Take a pic, Belle.
If I throw it, you gonna catch it?
Yeah.
We really want to play this game?
Hold on.
I'm gonna aim more that way because there's no water back there.
I got one.
Got one. You fucker. Oh, look at it. That's a big one. You guys can't see it, but those turtles are curling.
I hate this. This is so fucking stupid.
He ate the other piece of ham that came off. Well, because he knows that that's not attached to shit. He saw it fall. Got one.
Whoa, you're throwing one? Holy shit.
Oh, it's pretty.
Now he's a crow fucking fish. Hell yeah, you can. But don't catch a fish with it.
Got one.
Whoa.
Help me! This is all within like 3 minutes. 3 minutes and 36 seconds, and you've caught 3 fish.
Fight it again. This is my last time.
Yeah, but I didn't get the first one in this vlog.
Okay, grab the line with your hand. Now close the bail.
You need to move. You got a good spot. You better watch out because this stings.
Oh, that's a
You keep catching a
big ass
fucking
one.
fish.
That's there's no.
I think
It's definitely the same. Yeah, we're getting pissed. Hey guys, I just caught myself a fish. I call him Billy, but he's been out for a while because I've been waiting for you to look at him. This is Maddie untackling him.
You stole the fish, you didn't catch it.
Actually, I did not.
I
love it here. So I guess.
Okay. That was mine.
Or was it?
It was mine. Put her,
Yeah.
boop, 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 boop,
Oh, yeah.
baited it, and you stole it.
Sure. I'm the one that caught it
Who
first.
told you the technique?
Me.
No.
I learned myself.
You're a liar.
Self-taught.
Well, let's see it. Let's see it.
Oh, watch me catch another one.
Yeah, let's see it.
Watch me catch another one. Okay, Maddie's gonna. If she catches.
Yeah, I wouldn't go near to Maddie. She's catching them all.
I know.
Catch all
Yeah,
the
you
fish,
know.
bitch.
Yay, Belle! Nice job, Belle. Who's it?
Uh-oh.
Another one.
Are you using hammer? I'll take it off.
Oh! For the fish tank. Yay, Bell!
Yeah, this is how I fish.
We're getting the whole angle.
And now I caught a baby, and it feels bad. Put the phone down.
Look. Big. Look how big.
I'm a fish catcher. Yeah.
Alright. Don't worry, I got your poor little friend. I'll give you a little kiss when you leave.
I feel like Maddie. I feel like I'm fishing like Maddie now. She's over. Get this.
Yeah, Kayla.
Damn, that's a big one.
Oh, hell yeah, bitch. Hell yeah. One time I went fishing and 25-pound salmon. Not for real.
Oh yay!
For real. For real.
This one's big.
No, in the American River. That ass, I have a picture of it. Kind of sicko mode.
I got one.
Yeah. 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 Okay, we are. Wait, hold on. We are done fishing now. We got a perfect sunset and vibe. Here we go. Oh my gosh. We've never seen this before. Look at Kayla in the wild tying up Porter's shoe.
I used to